Here is how you make a chicken quesadilla. The first thing you will need to do is get your ingredients. You will need 1 chicken breast, 1 tortilla, a 1/4 cup of cheese, cooking spray, a stick of butter, and Tony Chachere's. Then you want to get your materials. You will need 1 spatula, 1 pan, 1 knife, 1 butter knife, 1 stovetop burner, 1 plate, and 1 cutting board. You will then set the pan on the burner and preheat burner to medium heat. You will cube your chicken with a knife, then you will season it heavily with Tony Chachere's seasoning. You will then oil the pan with cooking spray and put the diced chicken into the pan. You will cook the chicken until it is fully white on the inside. After you cook the chicken, you will put it into a plate for later. You will cut you a slice of butter and butter the tortilla on one side. Place the buttered side of the tortilla flat into the pan. You will then put cheese and chicken inside the tortilla and fold it in half. Once the tortilla is toasted to your desired crust, you will flip with a spatula. You will repeat on the other side. Once toasted, put into the plate. Cut the quesadilla into the number of portions desired with a clean knife. And enjoy.